This section is for beginners, means zero-level English learners. It is about the different professions. Let's begin. Teacher. A teacher is a person who teaches us. They help in learning new skills. Teachers are important for shaping the country. Teachers spend most of their life giving education to others. Doctor. A doctor treats people's ill. A doctor uses a stethoscope. They are the most important to society. They study medicines and test your body to cure your illness. Nurse. A nurse is a doctor's assistant. She wears a white uniform and puts a cap on her head. She takes care of your medicines. She is very patient and tries to help the patients in all ways.
Policeman. A policeman stops crime. A policeman always keeps a gun with himself. A policeman is a government servant. A policeman works day and night. Lawyer. Lawyers fight for justice and honor. A lawyer's job is to argue a client's case. A lawyer wears a black coat, white shirt, and a white neckband. A lawyer is also known as advocate, judge. The judge is the one who delivers the decision in the court. It is the duty of the judge to decide impartially. The judge examines a witness or evidence very closely. Judges retire at the age of 60. Pilot. A pilot is a man who flies airplanes, helicopters, and jets. Pilots are smart and responsible. Pilots work for commercial airlines, corporations, or governments. The workweek of a pilot is 40 hours.
Garbage collector. A garbage collector collects garbage from every house. He keeps our city clean. He mainly wears an orange jacket and a hat. He is a public and private servant in the collection and dispose of waste. Farmer. A farmer manages a farm and raises animals. He provides us with food. They have great importance to our society. They cultivate the land and share their crops with us. Carpenter. A carpenter is a skilled labor. Carpenter has a lot of tools. They are useful people in our society. They can make chairs, tables, frames, etc. with wood. Builder. A builder builds the buildings. A builder uses a general toolkit. They are very important to make our houses. They manage the construction of our house. Mechanic. A person who repairs machines. Mechanic uses hand wrenches or pliers. They even work well in tight places.